Meron sila para makapit. O dapat daw may flash yung camera.
Cut say wave. Is na ko? Meron sa apat there.
May mga bats yata.
Sige.
Ilang minuto daw ito? No? 5. Yung bangka nila.
Yeah.
Sundan natin.
Where's
yung mga
Kathleen?
bata,
Kathleen
Bata,
wave.
Tama, sabi mo sa mama.
Yeah.
Mauna kayo!
Very good. You pray.
Yay! Tell us, O Lord, that nobody will be hurt or harmed.
Take the
as we
pictures.
pass. You go first, guys.
Yeah. Wow. Very beautiful.
You make
Smooth.
sure you have your
Who's the light man in that boat?
Cyril David.
Oh, wow.
Make sure you have your flash inside. Yan, flash.
Yeah. We're entering the mouth of the underground
Take
river.
pictures yan. Mainit? Sa amin.
Very beautiful. Wow.
Mang pumapit ka dyan sa side. Ayun nga,
Oh.
Kuya Ton, yung ilaw natin.
This is the holy water now.
Light man.
Kapag dala kang flashlight, diba?
Meron, kaya lang sabi hindi raw kaya. Oo.
Oh, makadadagdag din yun.
Bel, gusto mo tong flashlight? Saan? Akin. Kala niya ng mic. Hindi ko na makita.
The second row, please, ma'am, excuse me.
Yes?
Please remove your sunglasses po.
Ay, sunglass.